Hi, I'm Darren Boyd with Genesis Controls. I'm the Director of Marketing and Business Development here. Have a little slideshow put together here to give you an idea about our capabilities and a little bit about our company. All our controls before we do a build are reviewed by engineers and our craftsmen before work begins. When you send in a drawing, we're going to take a look at it. We're going to make sure that it makes sense. We're going to make sure the components are correct for the application, and we're going to review that with our engineers and our craftsmen. And if we see corrections that we think might needed, we're going to get back to you with that. Because we assist OEMs, machine builders, and system solution providers with any and all parts of the controls for the project for their equipment. That means we work with whatever you need. If you need just schematics, or if you need just programming, or if you need just build to print, we are a Rockwell preferred integrator. We're a Phoenix Contact automation partner. 100% functional, powered, point-to-point tested on all panel builds prior to shipment. We're going to do a point-to-point test on every panel. If you have a panel for 10 panels, we're going to test every one of them, do a documentation file on each one. Genesis Controls is an exceptional facility, clean, professional, and organized. It's a place where we wanted our employees, our customers' team members, and our customers' customers to be comfortable coming in, working in a clean, professional environment. We do have the ability to bring your equipment in, or your skid. We can receive it. We can connect it, wire it up, have it ready for you to test out, to do FAT if you need to do actually even controls, training, or service work. We can bring it in and have it staged for you. We also can bring in, if you have a piece of new equipment or even used equipment, we can bring in your equipment or skid and design or update the controls. This is an example of a piece of equipment that we have that we brought in-house that had European controls on it. The OEM wanted to offer this piece of equipment with US Allen Bradley controls to run the system. We actually designed the controls, we built the control panel, we attached the controls to the equipment, we actually fat tested this and skidded it, packaged it up, ready, and shipped it into production. Genesis Controls is a UL 508 shop. We also have 698 hazardous location certifications. We also can do CUL, CE, and CSA certifications. When it comes to the 698 hazardous locations, we have the ability not only to build an explosion-proof panel, but we can actually work with a purge panel as well. And our engineers have the capability to be able to design this equipment for you as well. So if you need help with a hazardous environment control panel, let us know. We'd be more than happy to take a look and help you out with your project. We do have in-house metal fabrication, painting, pipe bending. Our fabrication is we fabricate custom panel enclosures, including stainless steel. But more commonly, we kind of modify the panels. We'll bring it in, do the cuts, weld something to it, add an addition, take something off. It just seems to be a more cost-effective way to buy a panel off the shelf and do the modifications. We do have the expertise to color match, prep, and remove finishes for your paint. If you have a specific color that you need to match your equipment, we have the ability to do a high-quality paint job and match your color exactly. Process piping. We do have the ability to bend and attach hydraulic pneumatic tubing and medium pressure tubing up to 20,000 psi. This particular panel up on the top left is a stainless steel where we did the bending, the connections for a 6,000 psi application. One of the things that we really think that we believe in is our documentation. We think that we do it very well, and we think that the benefit that we bring to the table with our documentation becomes a selling tool for our OEM clients. Every panel project that we build, we like to take 30 to 150 photos or more, and put that on our secure server, and that would be there forever. We keep that, so if you built a panel today and you had a problem with it 10 years later, we can go back, pull up those photos, and see exactly what it looked like when it left here. A lot of things happen once they get into the field, so maybe something, hopefully, that also including in our documentation file, we keep the latest version of the program, the schematic with the red lines, the shipping documentation, including the packing slip and photos of the skid or the crate before it left. We try to work as your partner. We want to communicate, pay attention to detail. We want to build a quality controls. We're trying to bring a value to our customers. So hopefully, if you're looking for a high value control panel manufacturer, give Genesis Controls a chance. We're experts in working with system solution providers and original equipment manufacturers providing industrial automation and process solutions. My name is Daron Boyd. I'm the Director of Business Development here at Genesis Controls. If you have any questions, need information, whatever I can do to help, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.